We're a 3-year programme approved by the Royal College of Speech and Language Therapists and validated by the Health and Care Professions Council, which means that when students graduate, they not only get their BSc degree, but they are eligible to register to work as a speech and language therapist. Across the programme we do all sorts of different things, so lots of different areas of learning, from medical sciences to linguistics, phonetics, intervention, all sorts of different areas, which is really exciting because nobody comes having done everything already. So there's lots of variety across the whole programme, both from an academic point of view and a practical point of view. And students are constantly developing and evolving their skills as well as their knowledge alongside that. And then we have a range of specialist facilities. So for example, we have the speech lab, which is where students can do lots of work around phonetics and spectrographic analysis and those sorts of things. And we also access the clinical skills suite, where students practice bedside assessment for people with swallowing difficulties. So we also use a wide range of video examples throughout our teaching to really bring alive examples of what it is we're trying to teach in theory. Our graduates go on to work in a range of different settings, so they may work in the NHS, or increasingly we're seeing a diverse range of employers, so schools or independent private practices, those sorts of areas. And what we're working really hard to do and getting feedback from our recent graduates is around making sure that students are really equipped when they graduate to consider what's the best sort of working environment for me, and ensuring that they are well equipped to deal with actually a changing and diversifying employment landscape for speech and language therapists more generally. We have a number of global opportunities whereby students have gone to places such as Copenhagen, Berlin, the Gambia, and we're developing a trip to India, where students have an opportunity to really understand different healthcare and education systems in different areas and learn more about how speech and language therapy works within different cultures and within different contexts.
So one of the best things you can do if you want to find out more is come along to our open day, where you can meet students, talk to staff and have a good look round our facilities.